Okay, so we are here on the university website. Remember in my previous video, I talked about the scholarship that this university is offering, which is this research training program scholarship, which covers your tuition, your living allowance, your travel costs, and your overseas health cover. And you can also see the Melbourne Research Scholarship, and there are other scholarships and financial supports that you can still find on the university website. This is the university website now, and in my previous video I also said I'll be showing you how you can submit your application. I'll be dropping the link to the university's website in the description box, so you can check for your field of study and also look up more information about that. And here you can also find to find a supervisor, find the projects. These are available projects that you can explore. You click on it and also find the information what pertains to you in your field of study, and also supervisors. You can find them here, and this is information that you can read up on how to apply on this page. Looking for more information, you can come here. Depending on what is applicable to you, you can come here and find more information. Now let's go ahead and check. They have Doctor of Philosophy, that's PhD, Master of Philosophy, and then Masters by Research. The Masters by Research is a 2-year degree program, at least 2/3 of which is devoted to research, and you gain you will gain advanced disciplinary and research expertise and produce a major research thesis. Now you click here to see more information on that. And under study with us, you can also find undergraduate study, you can find graduate coursework study, you can as well find graduate research and PhD study, you can find your scholarships, your fees, and remember the scholarship you're going to apply to will cover your fees, your tuition fees. And you can also find information on study abroad and international exchange. International exchange means, let's say, okay, you've been studying in another university in another country. You've done your maybe year 1 or year 2, and you want to finish it up at a university in Australia. You come here and check that out. Maybe you've started a program in a school abroad. Abroad can be from anywhere. You can read that up to see if they have partnerships with particular schools in a particular country. You understand? These are the Master of Research programs that they have. Master of Education is in Research, Advanced Social Work, Philosophy in Agricultural Sciences, Industrial Research in Chemistry, Music, Philosophy, Master of Philosophy in Engineering and IT, Veterinary Science, Medicine, Arts. Okay, and this is the whole. You can click on Next to see other programs that they have, and the campus is always available here, and the duration of study is always available as well. For some are 2 years, some are 4 years for part-time. This is 2 years full-time and then 4 years part-time. And this is the intake, the start dates, March and July for this program. Some you will find them, but the applications are open now, so you can go right now. If you're ready with your documents for research programs, you can start now to research supervisors. Look at open. We saw on the previous page the open research topics or research projects, so you can go there and look for research projects that interest you, and look at the supervisors that are conducting research in that particular field and write to them. Then if you're coming for a master's by coursework, we also saw it. You don't need to find supervisors. You can just go ahead and submit your application without researching for supervisors. So I hope you're seeing my screen very well. Like I said, I'll be dropping it in the description box, so you can copy that to your browser, or you click on it and see more on the programs that they have. Check your own and click on it and read up more information on the requirements and everything that will be needed. Let's say you want to come. Okay, you can also use filters here. These are the filters. your study level. Is it undergraduate? Is it graduate coursework? These are the number of programs under this graduate coursework. Even undergraduates, they have 30 of them. Graduate coursework, they have 348. Graduate research, they have 48. This graduate research is both for masters by research and PhD by research. And then they have micro credentials and short courses like postgraduate certificates, diplomas, and other short courses that they have. So you can come here, the study area, and choose environment, health, engineering. They have a whole lot of other fields of study, science. You can filter by duration, you can filter by study mode, you can filter by available start dates, you can also filter by location, that's the campus. That's if you already know, if you've visited this website, you've seen your field of study, and you know the campus where your program is being taken. You can come here and filter by the location. I hope you're okay. Let's filter. Let's go ahead and use this filter and see what it will show us. Okay, we have under environment, we have Master of Philosophy in Science, Engineering, we have Law, we have Architecture, we have Doctor of Philosophy and in Science as well. And you can click on any one you're interested in. This is just an example, and we are here on this website. Everything you need is here for international students. This is for international students. They will always have information for domestic students. If that is your case, you change it to domestic students, or if that is not, you come back to international students. You can see this, the school fees, but just like I said, the scholarship is going to cover this full tuition for you. And this is the campus of this graduate program. This is where you can read up more information on the English language requirements, and this is the intake. It's flexible. How to apply, inquire. It's also here. Register for updates. You can register your email to see the updates. You can read up more information on this study field. You have overview here. Overview, and these are the related study areas. All right, and these are the entry requirements for this study program. So let's just take a look at it. So this is where you can see the entry requirements. The overview is here: entry requirements, course structure, career outcomes, student experience, fees, and scholarships. And you also see information on how to apply on this page. You can scroll down and read here. Minimum qualifications: a master's by research degree, master's by coursework degree, or a 4-year bachelor with honors degree. So even if you have a master's, you can still come. You already have a master's, you can still come for this program. That's what that's what it's saying. And this is your minimum level of academic achievement in your previous studies. You must have achieved an overall H1. That's this H1 means 80 to 100%, or H2O. This is their own classification. Then or H2A, 75 to 79%, equivalent to grades received to an Australian university in the relevant honors or master's degree. And the completed degree must be in an area that is relevant to the intended MPhil, included sufficient specialization such that the applicant will have already developed an understanding and appreciation of a body of knowledge relevant to the intended MPhil. You're coming for a Master of Philosophy in Architecture, Building and Planning. You studied, let's say you studied accounting, or you studied business administration in your previous study. You can't come for this program. That's what this whole thing is trying to say. You can't come for this program. It has to be, for you to come for this program, it has to be in a field that is related to this field. Let's say you studied construction engineering, or a field in construction. You can still come for this field because it's related, right? So that is what that paragraph is saying: your degree or professional experience. So if you don't have a field of study in this particular field in your previous studies, then you can have professional experience. Okay, your degree or your professional experience must demonstrate that your knowledge of the discipline in which you plan to undertake your research higher degree is current. Then supervision. You'll be asked to nominate a supervisor and you'll be invited to upload evidence of engagement with an intended principal supervisor, and this can be in an email format. So if you have contacted a supervisor, you can get that email that you've sent to that supervisor, then submit that email format when applying for admission. And then you are to attach your research proposal. I mentioned in the previous video I made that some programs will require you to submit a research proposal, and we are seeing it here, right? So it says here that you have to attach your research proposal, academic transcripts with your grading skills, and then your CV when contacting your potential supervisor. So these are the instructions. If you're coming for this particular program, these are the instructions that you are to follow. So you can click here on how to apply. You see it here, how to apply to this particular program. And here you can read more on these things: prepare documentation, nominating a supervisor, academic results, and proof of graduation, which is your certificate and your transcripts. And this is for your research proposal. These are the guidelines you're to follow to to prepare your research proposal. Okay, and then 2 academic referee report forms. And if you're ready to apply, you click here. So you can come here and click on applications. That's if you're ready with all your documents, you click on applications. And if you're a new student, you can apply online and click on it to submit your application. So this is the application portal. You're applying as a new student, right? So you can come here and read up more information before you apply, what you're going to study, the entry requirements. Then for a new student, you're going to, sorry, this is for those who have already started the application and they couldn't complete it. You come here and put your password and log in. And for a new student, you can click here, apply as a new student. You click here and then follow up and submit your application. And this is it for this video. I want to say a very big thank you for staying with me to watch this video till the end. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section and I will definitely reply. And thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Your support means a lot to me. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button because I will be bringing more opportunities your way. Thank you so much and I will see you in my next video.